In this video I'll be showing you how to delete TikTok account. So let's get started. It is same for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once connected with the internet, simply go and open your TikTok app. So once the TikTok app is open, just go and tap on your profile icon, that is me icon at the right bottom corner. So open up your profile. Now tap on these three lines at the right top corner. So once you tap on this, privacy and settings would appear. Now tap on manage my account. In manage my account, make sure that you have a linked phone number with your account. So like you can see this phone number, and a linked account. So here if you do not have a linked phone number on with your account, just go and tap on this, and it would ask you to enter your phone number, and Bits will send you an activation code, and you can simply enter that code to link your phone number with this TikTok account. So once we have linked to your phone number at this TikTok account, let's go and tap on delete account at the bottom. So this would open up a new menu, wait for the menu to appear. So here it says to continue you need to complete message verification first. You will receive a message code after tapping on send code. Now tap on send code. So this words they would send a verification code on your phone. So here you can see the code is go and enter your code. Tap on continue. It says if you want to delete your account, you will no longer be able to log into your TikTok account. So you can read this all, and once you have read this all at the bottom you can see your account will be deactivated for first 30 days. During the activation your account would be visible to public, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. You need to read this all, so once you have read this all just go and tap on delete. If you still want to delete, and here tap on delete, your account will be permanently deleted and deactivated for first 30 days. And after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. During those 30 days if you simply log into your TikTok account, your account will be reactivated. So this is the process, so hope it has helped you in deleting the TikTok account on iPhone as well as Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.